Hey guys, this is an interior review of my boat, a 1983 Lau 16-foot with a 75 Johnson power shift on it. Loop charged Seahorse, 50 horse power. Alright, so you got plenty of space in here. Just a little 16-footer, but they make good use of it. Absolutely a versatile boat. Here, let me put the fishing seats in here. Now let me set this down on the console. Just an ambulance alarm. I live next to a fire station and an ambulance station. So I'm gonna put the next one in here. Next to this right here. Just like that. Alright, so we're going from the front to the back. Alright, sit down. You can adjust the speed, the control motor right there. That actually lets the control motor go. You turn it left and right like that, with that whole pedal. So you got a good view. That right there is a live well, but we'll get to that here in a bit. Alright, so you got ample room in here. Here's like where you can keep like a tackle box, maybe a life vest, you know, stuff like that. So on center of the deck. Absolutely lots of space. There's my arm for comparison. See, that's the end of it right there. That's my whole forearm. And I still got more than halfway left. Probably a good several feet of room in there, probably. I don't know, but there's quite a bit. Alright, now we got the console area. Here's the live well. Lots of room. Now it's divided right in here. So you can either access that one, oops, or access that one. If you look in there, you can see where it divides. Right there. There's another fishing chair. See, you can sit down, do that, and you can fish around. Loop charged. They're loop charged. Okay. So, I'm gonna take the seat out so I can show you guys the visibility of it. Okay, you don't mind the country music. We're training horses to get used to music and stuff. I don't know how it works, but it works. Here's how you turn on the boat. It's the choke. That's the throttle. It's one of the throttles. This is the main throttle right here. But this is like to help warm it up right here. So you turn that over to crank it. That's your navigation lights. Bilge pump takes the water out. Live well brings the water in to the live well, which is under me. Horn, which honks the horn, and the accessory, which turns this all on if I'm mistaken. Because yeah, you got a good view. And I mean, they've made use of this space quite well. Depth finder. Might be a little laggy though, since it's a dot matrix screen or something. I don't know how it works, but I'm sure it does that way. So yeah, and if you just want to take a fish, you know, check on your fish, you can do that right there, and then close it back. It does not have an aerator on it though, which is, I mean, I just put like in like a little bubble box or something, you know. So not too crazy. Because yeah, this is my view basically pretty much. Yeah, so not a bad view at all. Put the boat seat right there, which goes right there in that hole. So yeah. Oh yeah, and I gotta show you all the outside too. So we're gonna go look at the outside. There's Tigger. Little 50-horse Johnson. Tuffalo Motors. My great-grandfather's got one too. Had one too. Actually, he'd actually be in his hundreds if he was still alive. So he'd be up there in age. Probably wouldn't be able to fish anymore if he was still alive. Because he was born in 1909, so he was 9 years old when World War I ended. So yeah, he'd be up there. Just a bunch of stuff we got out of the. This is where the whole storage area is, so that gives you an idea of how big it is. You access it through that little door right here. So yeah, it's as big as the front fishing deck. This is it right here. Yep, and I live in Oklahoma. So bye-bye.